Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Techsolutions. In this video, we are watching about Introduction to C Programming. It is a course of swayam and NPTEL. Here we can see the video about week 1 assignment with solutions, how we can solve the given problems. Before going to video, please subscribe the channel and comment your suggestions and like. In assignments, is there any changes in the answers will be notified in the comment section before the due date of the particular assignments, and it's helpful to others and support to them. Thank you. Hello everyone. Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to solve the problem of Introduction to C Programming, Assignment 1, question number 1. The last date for submission of the first assignment is February 9th of 2023. You can see what is the problem statement they have to given for the first assignment. We have a certain number of 100 rupees notes, 10 rupees notes and 1 rupee notes with you. There is an item we want to buy whose price is given to you. Then we can write a program to find if the item is affordable. That is, the price of the item is lesser than or equal to current money which we have. Now, what is the constraints? We can give the input as 4 non-negative integers. That means you can give only the positive integers. The first input is an integer that representing only the 100 rupees notes. This means number of 100 rupees notes we have. And the second input is an integer representing the number of 10 rupees notes we have, and third input is an integer representing the number of 1 rupee notes, and fourth input is an integer representing the cost or the price of the item which you want to purchase. That is the input. Means total you can give the 4 input. In this 4 input, the first number can represent number of 100 rupees, the second input can represent number of 10 rupees, and third input can represent number of 1 rupee, and the fourth input is represents the cost of the particular product or particular item. And what is the output we can get? Here we can get the output as a 1 if the item is affordable. That means if we have, for example, if we have the 100 rupees is a 2, that is the 200, and 10 rupees is a 2, that is the 20 rupees, and 1 rupee is a 2, suppose 22 rupees. Total 222 rupees we have. That is the total amount we have. And if your item, what is the fourth digits, the cost of the particular item which you want to purchase. Suppose if your item cost is lesser than 2222 rupees, means then we can get the output as a 1. That means the item is a affordable. Suppose if your product cost is greater than or more than the 2222 rupees, means it is get the output as a 0. That is the problem statement they are given. Clearly, here we can give the 4 input and we can get the only 2 output, either 1 or 0. The 1 will be get whenever the product cost is lesser than your amount or equal to your amount. And if you get the output as a 0, if the product cost is greater than your input. Here I can implement the code by using C language. Is the code as I have to read. Means total I can reading the 4 inputs. One is a 100 and 10, 1 rupees and price of the my product. And I can read 100 rupees notes, how many notes I have, and how many 10 rupees notes I have, and how many 1 rupees notes I have, and what is the total cost of product which I want to purchase. And we can check either the 100 rupees not lesser than 0, 10 rupees also not less than 0, 1 rupee also not less than 0, and 0 cost of your product is also not less than 0. If it is 0 means finally I can get the result as a 0. Otherwise, if we can give the input as a integer value is the greater than 0 value, then I can find what is the price or what is the amount I can have. That is the 100 rupees as a into 100, 10 and ones if it is. And here I can print if is a 1. That means what is the price? I can read here the cost of the particular price. This price is greater than of my 100 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes and 1 rupees notes. Means the sum of all these is greater than my price, means then I can display the output as a 1, otherwise 0. This is the source code logic I have to implement it for the given problem. And just we have to save and compile and run. See, here they can give us some test case values. Here I can get the compilation is a passed. The public test case 2 by 2 is a passed. Here you can see test case 1. My input is 500 rupees notes and 1 10 rupees notes and 2 1 rupees notes. That means the total cost 512 rupees I have. Okay, in 512 rupees my product amount is 120. Now that is my cost is greater than my product amount which I have to purchase. Then my expected output is a 1. I can get the actual output also 1. Then status of the particular exam is passed. And what is the test case means? I have 300 rupees notes, 17 10 rupees notes, 9 1 rupee notes. Then total what is the cost? 326 rupees. But my product cost is greater than what is the amount I have. That means it is not affordable. That's why the accepted output is 0 and the actual output also 0. That is the 1. This is the first assignment solution for given problem statements. The program is successfully executed. And finally, I have to submit it. Thank you for watching. If there is any queries, please raise in the comment section. Thank you for the watching my video. Please subscribe and support. Thank you.